incredible. We just taught Python how to think and make intelligent decisions. Look what we accomplished together. We transformed simple programs into smart, interactive decision makers. First superpower unlocked: if statements. Now our code doesn't just run blindly from top to bottom. It thinks, it chooses, it makes decisions based on what's happening right now. Second superpower: Boolean expressions. Those true and false values we learned about? They're the brain behind every decision. Age greater than 13? Password equals secret? These comparisons are pure magic. Third superpower: the power of indentation. Python reads those spaces like a map, knowing exactly which lines belong together. 4 spaces means this code is part of my if statement. Here's our masterpiece pattern. The if keyword, our condition, that crucial colon, and beautifully indented code. This is the foundation of intelligent programs. But wait, there's so much more magic coming. Amazing work, Decision Masters. We conquered if statements and created intelligent programs. Our conditions guide program flow like GPS directions, and our perfect indentation keeps everything organized. Next week gets even more exciting. We're learning else and else if to handle multiple paths and complex choices. You've officially unlocked Python's decision-making superpowers.